What if everything you desire is already waiting for you, but your mind is tuned to the wrong frequency? What if the only thing standing between you and your dream life is the way you think for the next few minutes? Today, you don't just listen, you transform. Everything begins the moment you decide to slow your mind down because most people are trying to create powerful results while living in a state of constant mental noise, jumping from one thought to another, reacting to everything around them, never realizing that a distracted mind is a weak mind and a calm mind is a powerful one. And when you intentionally close your eyes, breathe deeply, and allow your thoughts to settle, something extraordinary starts to happen as your brain shifts into a quieter rhythm where imagination becomes stronger than external reality. And this is the level where your inner world starts becoming more influential than your outer circumstances, where you are no longer being pulled by stress, fear, or urgency, but instead you are stepping into a controlled mental environment where every thought can be chosen with precision. And in this state, your awareness expands and your focus sharpens, making it easier to direct your energy toward what truly matters instead of wasting it on distractions that drain your power. Because the truth is, your mind is always working, but it only becomes effective when it is disciplined. And discipline begins with stillness, with the ability to pause and detach from everything that is happening around you so you can reconnect with what is happening within you. And as you practice entering this calm state again and again, you begin to notice that your reactions become slower, but your decisions become stronger, your emotions become more stable, and your clarity becomes deeper, allowing you to access ideas and insights that were always there but hidden beneath the noise. And this is where transformation quietly begins to take shape as you train your mind to operate from intention instead of impulse, from awareness instead of habit, and from control instead of chaos. And the more you return to this state, the more natural it becomes until eventually it is no longer something you try to do, but something you live in. A state where your mind is no longer scattered but centered, no longer restless but responsive, no longer weak but deeply focused on what you choose to create. Once your mind becomes calm and receptive, you begin to realize that what you repeatedly picture in your inner world quietly becomes the blueprint for your outer reality. And this is where clarity becomes your greatest advantage, because a vague desire produces vague results, while a clear vision sends a precise command to your subconscious. And most people never take the time to truly define what they want. They think in general terms, they wish loosely, and then they wonder why nothing changes. But your mind does not respond to uncertainty. It responds to detail, to structure, to a picture that feels so real it almost replaces your current reality. So you must begin to build that image with intention, seeing exactly where you are, what you are doing, who you are becoming, noticing the environment, the expressions, the small details that make it feel alive. Because the more detailed your vision becomes, the stronger the signal you send within. And as you hold that image steadily, you begin to feel a subtle shift, a sense of direction forming inside you, as if your mind is no longer wandering, but moving towards something specific. And this is how you begin to program your inner world with purpose instead of randomness, because every clear image you hold becomes a set of instructions that your subconscious starts working on without your conscious effort, influencing your focus, your decisions, and even the opportunities you begin to notice. And this is why consistency matters, because one clear image is powerful, but a repeated clear image becomes dominant. It starts replacing old patterns, dissolving confusion, and building a new internal reality that aligns with what you want to experience. And over time, that inner picture begins to feel more natural than your current situation. And when that happens, your behavior starts to change in subtle but powerful ways. You begin to think differently, act differently, and respond differently, because you are no longer guided by your past, but by the vision you have created. And this is how transformation truly begins, not from external effort alone, but from an internal image that becomes so strong it reshapes everything around it. There is a powerful shift that happens the moment you stop imagining your desire as something distant and start experiencing it as something that already belongs to you, because the mind does not operate on future tense. It responds to what feels real in the present moment. And this is where most people unknowingly block their own progress, as they keep thinking about what they want as something they do not yet have, reinforcing the very absence they are trying to escape. But when you change that inner language and begin to feel the emotions of already having achieved your goal, everything inside you starts to realign because emotions are the fuel that activate your subconscious. They give energy to your thoughts and turn them into something the mind takes seriously. So when you allow yourself to feel joy, gratitude, confidence, and certainty as if your desire is already fulfilled, you are no longer sending a signal of lack, you are sending a signal of possession. And your mind begins to accept that as your new reality, influencing your behavior, your perception, and even the way you carry yourself in the world. And this is not about pretending in a superficial way, but about deeply connecting with the experience you want to live until it feels natural within you, until it becomes familiar, because familiarity creates belief and belief creates results. And as you repeat this emotional experience daily, it starts to override old feelings of doubt and limitation, replacing them with a stronger internal state that supports your vision instead of resisting it. And you begin to notice subtle changes, the way you speak, the way you think, the way you react to challenges, all shifting in alignment with this new emotional identity, because you are no longer waiting for something external to validate your success. You are generating that feeling from within. And when that inner feeling becomes consistent, it begins to shape your outer world in ways that seem almost effortless, as if opportunities start appearing, as if circumstances begin to cooperate. But in reality, it is your internal state that has changed the way you interact with everything around you. And the more you stay in this emotional alignment, the stronger it becomes, until eventually it defines who you are and how you experience life. What you repeat, you become, and this is not just a motivational idea, but a fundamental principle of how your mind is conditioned over time, because your subconscious does not change through intensity alone. It changes through consistency, through patterns that are reinforced again and again until they become automatic. And this is why a single moment of motivation fades, but a repeated thought begins to take root, shaping your beliefs, your identity, and ultimately your reality. So when you consciously choose to repeat empowering thoughts, clear mental images, and strong emotional states, you are not just hoping for change. You are installing it step by step into the deeper layers of your mind where real transformation takes place. And at first, it may feel unnatural, even forced, because you are going against old patterns that have been repeated for years. But this resistance is not a sign that it is not working. It is a sign that something new is being introduced, something that is challenging the familiar and creating space for a different way of thinking. And as you continue this repetition with patience and intention, those new patterns begin to feel more natural, more believable, until they no longer feel like something you are trying to convince yourself of, but something that simply feels true. And this is where the shift becomes powerful, because once your subconscious accepts a belief as truth, it starts operating from it automatically, influencing your reactions, your decisions, and even the way you interpret situations around you. And you no longer need to force yourself to think positively or act confidently because it becomes your default state. And this is why repetition must be done daily, not occasionally, because consistency builds momentum and momentum creates lasting change. And every time you repeat your vision, your affirmations, and your feelings, you are strengthening the signal you are sending within, making it clearer, stronger, and more dominant than any old doubt or limitation. And over time, this repeated focus becomes a powerful force that reshapes your inner world until it naturally begins to reflect in your outer experiences. Doubt does not usually arrive loudly. It slips in quietly through small thoughts, subtle questions, and unnoticed assumptions that slowly weaken your belief in what you are trying to create. And if you are not aware of it, it begins to dominate your inner dialogue, shaping your expectations and limiting your results without you even realizing it, because the mind always moves in the direction of its strongest belief. And when doubt becomes stronger than certainty, it disrupts the process you are trying to build, sending mixed signals to your subconscious and creating hesitation in your actions. And this is why eliminating doubt is not about fighting your thoughts aggressively, but about becoming aware of them and consciously choosing what to replace them with. Because every doubtful thought can be redirected, every negative assumption can be challenged, and every moment of uncertainty can be turned into an opportunity to reinforce your vision instead of weakening it, and this requires discipline, not perfection, because your mind has been conditioned for years to think in certain patterns, and those patterns will not disappear instantly, but the moment you stop feeding them, they begin to lose their power, and the moment you consistently replace them with thoughts of certainty, clarity, and belief, you begin to rewire the way your mind responds to situations. And this is where real control begins to develop as you stop reacting automatically and start choosing intentionally. And over time, this practice strengthens your mental focus, allowing you to hold on to your vision, even when external circumstances do not immediately reflect it. And instead of being discouraged by temporary setbacks, you remain steady, grounded in the belief that what you are building internally will eventually manifest externally. And this unwavering certainty becomes your advantage because it keeps your energy aligned, your actions consistent, and your direction clear. And as this certainty grows stronger, it starts influencing how you carry yourself, how you speak, and how you approach opportunities, creating a presence that naturally attracts the conditions you once felt uncertain about. And in this state, doubt no longer controls you because you have trained your mind to return to belief every time uncertainty tries to take its place. There comes a moment when everything you have been building internally begins to demand expression in the real world, and this is where many people hesitate because they believe that thinking alone is enough. But the truth is, your thoughts are the blueprint and your actions are the construction. And without action, even the most powerful vision remains incomplete. So when your mind is clear, your emotions are aligned, and your belief is strong, you begin to feel a natural pull towards certain decisions, certain steps, certain opportunities that seem to appear at the right time. And this is what inspired action feels like. It is not forced, it is not driven by fear or pressure, but by clarity and inner knowing. And when you trust this feeling and act on it, you begin to move in harmony with the direction you have already created within your mind. And these actions may seem small at first, a conversation, a decision, a step outside your comfort zone, but they carry a different energy because they are aligned with your vision, and that alignment gives them power. Because when your internal state and external actions match, you create momentum, and momentum begins to accelerate your results in ways that feel almost effortless. And as you continue to take these aligned steps, you start noticing patterns, opportunities, and connections that you might have ignored before, not because they were not there, but because your mind was not tuned to see them. And now everything begins to shift as your awareness expands and your confidence grows, allowing you to take bigger steps with greater certainty. And this is where trust becomes essential because the path may not always be clear, the results may not always be immediate, but your consistency in both thought and action keeps you moving forward. And over time, this combination of inner alignment and external movement creates a powerful cycle where each action reinforces your belief and each result strengthens your vision. And eventually, what once felt like something you were trying to achieve becomes something you are living because you have learned to think with intention, feel with certainty, and act with purpose in a way that transforms your reality from the inside out.